willing to cancel your Telegram account or want to deactivate it for some times? Let's check out the video for that. Under your profile, click on Settings option and scroll till Telegram FAQs. In Telegram FAQs you should see option Your account and delete your Telegram account. Click on that and choose Deactivation page to delete your Telegram account. Now fill out your phone number with country code. You will receive a message with confirmation code on the number which is associated with your Telegram account. Enter that and type the reason you want to delete or deactivate your account for. Remember, if you delete your Telegram account, your all data, chats will be flushed from your account. Write down the reason why you want to delete your Telegram, like I have another account, so I am mentioning that have another account. Now confirm the action. You can delete your Telegram account on Android, iPhone or via any web browser. After deactivation, Telegram account is deleted permanently along with all messages and contacts. So this is how you can delete your Telegram account. If you have any query, let me know in comment section. Thank you for watching.